Stephen A. Cohen is a Wall Street legend. He runs SAC Capital, one of the largest and most successful hedge funds. But the arrest Friday of a top Cohen deputy on insider trading charges refocuses attention on how federal authorities are building a possible case against Cohen himself. Kate Kelly joins us now with the very latest. How is SAC Capital reacting to this most recent arrest of Mr. Steinberg, who was a close confidant?
Well, in an interesting development, Tyler, they're actually showing quite a bit of support for Michael Steinberg, this gentleman who was indicted on Friday on 5 different counts of securities fraud and related charges, of course, stemming back to insider trading. This is an outgrowth of a prosecutorial effort that goes back 5 or 6 years. Most people think they're going after Steve Cohen personally. The firm has sought to distance itself from most of the 9 people in total who have been implicated, current and former employees of SAC who have been implicated. But in this case, they've essentially said Michael Steinberg is a highly ethical guy. We stand by him. His lawyer has pled not guilty.
And yet he's been on company leave since last September.
That's right. Now, he's on a paid company leave. And apparently, if you read the tea leaves here, a paid company leave indicates that the company is supportive of him. They don't want him to suffer economically while he's under scrutiny. But at the same time, they can't have him in the office when it's possible that he's going to be charged, as he was, with criminal wrongdoing.
Tell us about Steve Cohen himself. I mean, there have been so many insider trading cases, but he is a big fish, a gazillionaire. I mean, what could he possibly be implicated here, and what would that mean?
Susie, this is definitely the burning question on people's minds. Will the feds actually be able to charge Steve Cohen? It appears they've been trying to for quite a long time. And you're right, he's worth $10 or $11 billion. He personally and others who are high up in the firm have $9 billion in this firm. That's 9 out of a total of $15 billion. So if Steve is charged, I think it's probably curtains for SAC. I mean, there is no obvious number 2 who can lead the firm after he were to depart. And again, most of the capital involved is his. So if he were to be charged, it would be very damaging for them, and it would be 1,000 people potentially out of jobs.
He's been acting like a fairly confident man, buying a $60 million property and $155 million payment.
That's absolutely right. He's been very active in terms of art and real estate of late. He's also made a significant financial contribution to help veterans suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder.
Kate Kelly, thanks very much.
Fascinating story. Keep us posted on that one.